Welcome to your weight loss journey. Here are 10 tips to help you along the way. Tip 1. Start by setting realistic goals. Break them down into smaller milestones for better progress. Tip 2. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Water is essential for your body's functions and can aid in weight loss. Tip 3. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Find activities you enjoy to make it more sustainable. Tip 4. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and savor each bite. Tip 5. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals for a balanced diet. Tip 6. Get enough sleep. A good night's rest is crucial for weight management and overall well-being. Tip 7. Keep track of your progress. Monitoring your food intake and exercise can help you stay accountable. Tip 8. Find a support system. Surround yourself with positive influences who can motivate and encourage you.
Storybox Audio.
Tip 9. Stay consistent and patient. Remember, sustainable weight loss takes time and effort. Tip 10. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Reward yourself for reaching milestones and staying committed.